boys and girls. It's been such a long time since I've seen you, and I'm so happy that today I'm getting to share one of my special stories with you for your assembly. When I was thinking about what to share with you, I thought about one of my favorite stories when I was a little girl, and that is about the little red hen. I'm not sure if any of you know this story, but if you do, sit back, enjoy it, and if you're hearing it for the first time, I hope that it has a special meaning for you. So this is the story about the little red hen who lived on a beautiful farm with her special friends, and those were Rat, Cat and Bull. And one day little red hen thought to herself, I would love to bake some bread. But in order to bake bread, she had to plant a seed. She asked Rat, Cat and Bull, would you be able to help me plant the seed? Rat thought about it and he said, not I. Cat, not I. And Bull, not I. So little red hen said, very well then, and she planted the seed. Soon the seed grew beautifully, but it did need some water. So she asked her friends, would you be able to help me water the seed? Not I, said Cat. Not I, said Rat. Not I, said Bull. Very well then, said little red hen, and she got out her watering can and she watered the seed. Soon the corn grew really tall and it was ready to cut it down. And I bet you know what happened next. Little red hen did ask her friends if they would be able to help, but all three of them said they were too busy and they didn't have time to help her. So little red hen got to work and she cut all the corn down. And now it was time to take the corn to the mill to make it into flour. Now this was a big job, and little red hen asked her friends, would you be able to help me take the corn to the mill to make it into flour? Not I, said Rat. Not I, said Cat. And not I, said Bull. Very well then, said little red hen, and she got to work and she got the corn all the way to the mill to make it into flour. And soon her bread was almost ready to be made because she had this beautiful flour. Who would like to help me bake the bread? Not I, said Rat. Not I, said Cat. Not I, said Bull. So little red hen put on her apron, turned her oven on, and baked a beautiful loaf of bread. Soon, and boys and girls, I know you probably know the smell of delicious baked bread. This bread came out of the oven. It smelled delicious. And little red hen said to her friends, would anybody like to help me eat the bread? Oh yes, said Rat. I will, said Cat. Yes please, said Bull. And little red hen said, oh no you won't, and she ate it all up. Now boys and girls, I want us to think about the story because there's quite a strong message in the story. As you can see, little red hen was a very hard little worker. Nothing was too much trouble for her. And the message in this story is if we work hard, we will always get a good result. We don't want to be lazy like Rat and Cat and Bull. And I especially hope during this time of lockdown, while you're at home now with your moms and dads, that you are trying to be helpful and that you are packing away your toys, picking up your books and tidying your rooms. So let's all try and be like little red hen, busy, hard-working, always trying her best. I hope you've enjoyed my story. Will you please bow your heads together, put your hands together so we can say a prayer. Dear God, thank you for our school, Lord. Thank you for our wonderful families. Thank you for our teachers. Thank you for our friends. Lord, we ask you to bless us and to keep us safe. And we look forward to a time when we can all be together again. We ask this in your name. Amen.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Sinclair. That was a wonderful story. Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're all safe and happy at home. Right, this week we have been working so hard and our minds are very tired, but our bodies need some exercise too. So what I want you to do is find yourself a space where you can move freely without knocking anything. Maybe invite mommy, daddy, your brother or your sister to join you, and let's have some fun. Are you ready? Here we go. 6 forward rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Right, you're going to open your legs, arms to your side, 10 toe touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands on your hips and side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, we're going to do 20 lunges. That's 10 on each side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now we're going to do 20 star jumps. Start like a soldier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, boys and girls. Keep up the good work. Now stay safe, fit and healthy, and I hope to be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.
So everybody, are you ready for cupcakes? But who's this poor little fellow lying on his face? Let me see. Oh, it's poor little Humpty Dumpty. He fell off the wall again. So sorry, my friend. You should be careful when you sit on the wall. But you know, I know something that makes him feel much better. Do you like stories? And do you like to dance? We're going to do that. So first of all, let's see if you can all speak a very special language that we call sign language. So let's tell the story of Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. But when Humpty dances, oh, he feels so much better. So let's all stand up. Are you ready? So first of all, I want to see if you can bust a move. Let's do another one. Bust a move. Let's do another one. Bust a move. And then you're going to dance with your feet. Put your hands up in the air. Say, aye, aye. Move your feet. Boom, boom. Put your arms out to the side. Move them up and down. Say, aye, aye. So are you ready? Let's all dance with Humpty. Here we go. And we've got our special cupcake.
Humpty Dumpty down on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Now you might think that it's the end to this rhyme, but Humpty Dumpty had something in mind. He got back together with little Bo Peep, and they began to dance to this funky dance.
Let's
Bust a move. Dance with your feet. Put your hands in the air and sing. Aye, aye. Move your feet. Put your arms out to the side. Move them up and down and sing. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, King Cole was a merry old soul. A merry old soul indeed. He grabbed his guitar just like a rock star and jingled feeling free. Now you might think that it's the end to this rhyme, but old King Cole has something in mind. They got back together with little Bo Peep, and they began to dance to this funky dance.
Are you ready?
Bust a move. arms out to the side.